Hello and welcome back to another how-to video of Nerf. Now this one is an interesting take-apart sniper rifle by Air Warriors Ultra Tech. Now this is the mechanism and sniper itself with this grip, a top mount for this specially made scope. This is what the scope looks like in the inside. Nice, eh? And there's an 8-round clip, specially designed, again, for this. Now, to pull the clip in and out, you have to press on this button. Mine is a bit faulty. Now, this is a detachable barrel, if you want to put yours on or not. I'm going to customize it like it would come out in the stores. So, with the barrel attached onto it, with a clip. Oh, is there a problem? Oh, I'm gonna take out the clip. It seems, nope. Here, put the clip back in there. This is a specially made clip, specially made Ultra Tech Warrior Sniper, okay? And the scope. So there we go. This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna test it on the firing range. Now, for this one, I will again attempt to shoot it like it is 2 inches from my face. Okay? So here. Oh, that one sucked. Now, it won't always be like this. It just, I'm having trouble because I put some sand by accident into my barrel. Let's try this again. Okay, well, at the normal rate, it'd be a 10 out of 10, but since I have some problems with that to fix it, it's a 9 out of 10, but normally it'd be a 10 out of 10. Buy it in stores.